Hello, my name is Kaylin Leach, and this is my leadership philosophy. So, my philosophy contains wisdom, respect, and also actions, which I believe are all really important in being a leader. So, leadership is not a position or a title, it is an action or example. The importance of having a leadership philosophy is to go back and look at every day to remind yourself of the leader that you are and just keep you on that same path. My biggest example of being a leader is that I am a CNA. So when we get new CNAs, I have to train them, and I think it's important to show them that it's not just a job, it's also that you're impacting their life every single day. So you need to be kind to them and show them love. Um, so I believe that a leader is not only a person whose actions follow their words, but they also help others achieve their goals with confidence. So, first, being a leader means to follow your words with your actions. If you say you're going to do something, then you do it. Followers will look up to the things that you say versus the things that you do. When you do what you'll say that you will do, then this will gain trust with the people who look up to you. For example, if you say you're going to meet up with somebody for coffee to talk to them about how their life's going, you need to make a priority of it. If you say that they can come to you with anything, then they should be able to. So many times people find it hard to find somebody that they can talk to, and so you just need to be sure to actually be there for them and that make them feel comfortable. And then if you tell them you care, then show them you care. Many times people say that they care but don't actually show that they care, and you can do this by displaying kindness and concern for others. An example of this would be to help them through the hard time that they're going through and be by their side throughout it. My mom, Candy Lawner, shows this characteristic in many ways. Anybody can count on her to help them through a hard time. So, goals. Asking the person who they want to be and where they want to be can be a good starting of goal setting. Once they have given you some goals, help them set times to meet these goals, because usually if you have a date to meet these goals, then they're more likely to achieve them. Kelsey Border was my therapist, and we always set dates for me to achieve things for my mental health, and I think that it was a great way to push me to actually meet my goals. And then spend time to achieve your goals or help them achieve their goals. Be sure to help enforce the goals that they've made. Many times people will get off track of where they want to be, and as a leader, it's your job to just remind them, hey, like, this is what you wanted to do, this is what you said you wanted to do, so let's go back in that direction. Encouragement can also help others achieve their goals. When they do achieve their goals, be sure to give them some sort of praise. It doesn't really have to be materialistic, but even words of saying, like, I'm proud of you, that can help as well. And lastly, self-esteem. So low self-esteem has many downfalls, but people with low self-esteem are more likely to be controlling and micromanaging because they have the power as a leader and they can just tell people whatever they want them to do. And then also people with low self-esteem tend to not act in a way that encourages others to achieve their goals because they don't want them to be better than them in a way. High self-esteem, they're usually not threatened by other people's new ideas. So this is important because as a leader, you don't know everything. Even if you think you do, you don't. And I think it's important to take advice or new ideas from other people. And then it also allows others to look up to you and the confidence that you have, and so that they can gain confidence as well. So my conclusion is that actions speak louder than words, and confidence helps with succeeding in life. Goals are more likely to be achieved with great leaders to help somebody on the way. These values and goals have all affected my role as leader, because if I catch myself going off the path of my values and goals, I quickly try to get back on track. I believe that all of these are important to being a leader because each involves things that need to be taken by leaders rather than just the words that can be said. And then if your actions inspire others to dream more, learn more, and do more, then you are a leader.